Alright, today we have one of the coolest new Zippos that they just came out with. And it appears that today's video is sponsored by Charmin. I don't know exactly why, but let's take a look at this Zippo. So this one has the nice protective sleeve on it. And it says Zippo Turtle Flame Pocket Lighter. And it also says it's a new item over the normal Zippo black box. And on the back of this one it says Flames 8-bit design. So it's a new design made in the USA in Bradford, PA. Now here is this little design. You probably recognize that. It was in a video game, very popular a few years ago. It's on a white matte finish, kind of an off-white. And it looks like it was made in K of 18. At least the body was made in K of 18, but I know this is a really new design. So it's got a steel insert. Sounds really good. Lights up nice. That's a pretty good design. Let's do a drop test on this little turtle design. And there you have it. That's a new design. It's the Turtle Zippo. And it definitely deserves something. How about some cowbell? And maybe a little more cowbell. And maybe a prize. Knuckle bump.